Eid-ul-Adha, 2022 to 1443 H. Prayer time in Saudi Arabia. Eid prayer time in Saudi Arabia. The Eid prayer in Saudi Arabia is held 10 to 15 minutes after sunrise. Thus it is important to reach the masjid before sunrise to have ample time to find an appropriate praying spot. If the masjid is expected to be very crowded, then it is better to reach the masjid before Fajr prayer and then to stay there till Eid prayer. Time of sunrise in the biggest cities of Saudi Arabia. The time of the sunrise in the biggest cities of Saudi Arabia on the day of Eid-ul-Adha 2022 to 1443 H. The 9th of July 2022 is as follows. Name of the city: time of sunrise Riyadh 5:10 am, Jeddah 5:47 am, Makkah 5:44 am, Medina 5:39 am, Qamas Mushait 5:39 am, Dammam 4:53 am, Abha 5:40 am, Ha'il 5:24 am, Hafuf 4:57 am. This audio has been prepared by theclearevidence.org.